I'm Matt Gelka in Washington, where an appeal to the Supreme Court from the Trump administration could have far-reaching effects on how much power lower courts have. The Trump White House thinks lower courts have too much national power. After multiple lower court rulings from around the country have halted various parts of the Trump agenda, they're now asking the Supreme Court to weigh in.
You cannot have a low-level district court judge filing an injunction to usurp the executive authority of the President of the United States. That is completely absurd.
The request comes from an appeal to a nationwide ruling blocking Trump's executive order ending birthright citizenship. The order aims to end citizenship for kids born in the U.S. to parents who are here illegally or on a short-term visa. But other Trump policies, from mass firings to allocation of grant money, have been impacted by regional judges.
So each side complains about it. When Biden was in power, he complained about federal judges that were sympathetic to the Republican side who issued orders that struck down his executive orders. And now Trump, who's in power, is saying, look, I don't like those district judges either who are striking down my policies. They've got way too much power. They weren't elected by the people.
Trump's Justice Department wants rulings to apply narrowly to the people who brought the lawsuits and not nationwide. Acting Solicitor General Sarah Harris wrote to the court there had been 15 national injunctions in the month of February alone, compared to 14 national injunctions in the first 3 years of the Biden administration.
It's very clear that there are judicial activists throughout our judicial branch who are trying to block this president's executive authority. We are going to fight back.
The appeal to the Supreme Court also looks to weaken who can sue over federal policy, with the Trump administration hoping to stop state-led lawsuits. They argue state attorneys general have politicized the practice, citing both Democrat and Republican attorneys general bragging about the number of lawsuits they've led against the opposing party's president. Reporting in Washington, I'm Matt Gelka.